Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Have you ever wanted to make something with your own tool hands? Well, you don't need a huge workshops or expensive tools to start. Today we are diving into three super easy wood projects that's anyway one can build. They are quick, cheap, and make great additions to your home or even awesome gifts. Let's get building. First, a quick wording on tools for these projects. You will mainly need just a few basic of saw to cut your wood, a drill to make hole and drive screws, some wood glue and sandpaper. Always remember to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Let's start with a classic simple floating shelves. This project is fantastic for beginners and instantly adds storage and styles to any make room. You only need one piece of wood, a few screws, and some mounting hardware. And then decide how long you want your shelf to be. Let's say 2 feet. Measure and mark that length on your board. Then use your saw to make a nice straight cut. If you are buying a wood at a lumber yard, they can often make the cuts, sand all the edges and surfaces unit. They are smooth. You can apply a coat of stain for a rustic look or paint it to match your wall. Let it dry completely. Follow the instructions for your floating shelves hardware. It usually involves drilling a couple of holes in the wall, securing the mounting bracket, and then sliding your wooden shelf right over them. Then you have a beautiful sturdy shelf. Next up is a touch of luxury and easy bath caddy. This is a just wooden tray that sits across your tub, perfect for holding a book, a drink, or a candle. It looks fancy, but it's super simple. Measure the exact width of your bath tube. This is the length of your main piece of wood. Then cut then small thin piece for stoppers to keep the candy from sliding off the edges of the tube. Take your two small stoppers pieces, apply wood glue to the bottom of each one and glue them near the ends of your main board. This creates a little lip that sit inside the tube wall. Clamp them tight or weigh them down while the glue drip. Uh, since this is for the bathroom, you need a good finish. Applied a waterproof sealant or an exterior grade varnish. Let it cure and then go enjoy a relaxing bath with your new caddy. Our third project will help you tidy up your workspace. A simple desk organizer. This is basically just a box with a driver, perfect for holding. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.